The field of artificial intelligence is one that is expanding at a quick rate and has obtained a greater level of significance in recent years. AI is used to develop intelligent systems that are capable of learning and adapting on their own without being explicitly programmed to do so. These systems are able to learn and adapt without human intervention. The ability to generate text or other outputs, depending on prompts or inputs, is an essential component of artificial intelligence. Today, we will talk about the introduction to AI prompt engineering. AI prompt engineering. It is the responsibility of an AI prompt engineer to create and design prompts or inputs for artificial intelligence systems. These prompts or inputs are then utilized to generate text or other outputs. These prompts or inputs often take the form of text or speech written in natural language, and they are utilized in a wide number of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and the production of content. An in-depth knowledge of natural language processing, machine learning methods, and programming languages such as Python or Java is required of the AI prompt engineer. In addition to that, they need to be able to evaluate massive data sets and have a solid understanding of the fundamental ideas that are involved in the problem area. The role of the AI prompt engineer entails designing prompts or inputs that can be used to train machine learning models, which may then be used to generate text or other outputs. These models can be used to train the AI prompt engineer. This demands a knowledge of the particular application for which the artificial intelligence system is being developed, as well as the ability to construct prompts that will provide outputs of high quality. Skills required for the role. Here are some of the most important talents needed to become an AI prompt engineer. Expertise in computer programming using languages such as Python and Java. Working knowledge of the various methods and tools used in natural language processing. A comprehension of the processes and algorithms involved in machine learning. The capability of analyzing massive data sets and deriving relevant insights from them. Working knowledge of cloud computing technologies such as Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. Exceptional problem-solving abilities as well as the capacity for creative thought. Different career opportunities in the field of AI prompt engineering. Those who are interested in AI prompt engineering have a wide variety of job options available to them. Some possible roles include AI prompt engineer. An AI prompt engineer is someone who, as was indicated before, is in charge of producing and constructing prompts or inputs for artificial intelligence systems. These systems are used to generate text or other outputs, and an AI prompt engineer is responsible for doing so. NLP engineer. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a discipline of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interface between computers and human language. NLP stands for natural language processing. The job of a natural language processing engineer involves the creation and implementation of algorithms and tools that provide computers with the ability to understand and process human language. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables computers to acquire knowledge from experience without being specifically instructed to do so. A machine learning engineer is someone who develops and implements machine learning algorithms and models that can be used to make predictions or judgments based on data. This responsibility falls under the purview of the machine learning engineering discipline. Data scientist. A data scientist works in the subject of data science, which is an academic discipline that focuses on gaining insights and knowledge from data. A data scientist's primary responsibilities include the examination of massive data sets and the application of statistical and machine learning methods in order to derive insights and address operational issues. AI researcher. A researcher in artificial intelligence is someone who conducts research and develops new AI algorithms, models, and approaches. In most cases, they are employed by academic institutions or businesses whose primary focus is research, and the projects that they engage in are cutting-edge endeavors that require the application of AI to solve difficult challenges. AI prompt engineering is essential to artificial intelligence. It involves creating prompts or inputs for machine learning models to generate text or other outputs. AI prompt engineers must be proficient in natural language processing, machine learning methods, programming languages like Python or Java, and big data set analysis and interpretation. AI prompt engineering careers include NLP engineer, machine learning engineering, data scientist, and AI researcher. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.